guys, and welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, and today is going to be a continuation of my World Cup series. I swear someday I'll be done with this. But today we are doing Argentina, and for some reason on camera this looks way more green than it is blue, but I swear in real life it's blue. But before we get into the tutorial, I have a merch store, so if you guys want to support the channel, you want to get some cool stuff, I will have the link in the description down below. I've got stickers and t-shirts and hoodies and things, so if you guys are into that, check out the description. Now back to what you are actually here for, and that is not me flipping my hair around. Since I'm going to be using a lot of lighter colors and I really want them to pop, I'm going to go ahead and start by applying a white base all over the lid. I also applied some on the lower lash line because we're going to be applying some of that light blue down there. And no matter what the video quality says, it was a light blue. Next thing you're going to do is apply some blue above the crease, or really on the crease if we're being honest. So the reason I'm doing this is because my challenge for these videos is to kind of keep the flag somewhat looking like it's the flag of the country I'm doing, because a lot of countries have similar colors to their flags. So yeah. Gotta make this a little harder for myself. But like I said, you want to put this on the crease. You don't want to bring it down too far because we're going to be putting white and yellow there. And yeah. And then once all that is done, we're going to start applying some white eyeshadow, and this is going to go on the outer and the inner thirds. We're essentially going to do like a halo eye. So you want to leave some space for that yellow to be right in the middle, because in the middle of the Argentinian flag they have a sun, so I kind of wanted to throw that in there. And now since I have the white on there, I just wanted to go over with a little bit more blue just to make sure that it's as vibrant as I want, and also because I'm going to blend it a little bit into the white because it's not exactly a cut crease. This was probably my favorite part of this entire look. I applied some yellow just to the middle. First I just put it where I wanted it to be, and then I blended it a little bit more into the white. Now depending on how far out you want to blur this, it will give you a different look. I kept it kind of concentrated to the middle, but again, that is your choice. And then to drive it home, I just applied some of that blue that I put on the top lid on the lower lash line, because if you've seen the Argentinian flag, it's basically an ice cream sandwich with, yeah. Gonna stick with that analogy and nobody can convince me otherwise. And since I'm not applying any eyeliner, I decided to go with some very natural looking lashes. If you guys want a full video on that, I'll have it linked in the cards up above. For the lips, I decided to keep it pretty simple because there's a lot of pastelness going on. I'm getting like 60s vibes from it. So I decided to keep it pretty neutral, just applying a gloss. And then this is what it should look like, but then I kind of realized that I forgot to apply mascara. My bad. So I went ahead and applied mascara. Make sure that you really get the lower lashes just so they stand out a little bit more. And this is the finished look. I'm definitely getting some like 60s, 70s pastel makeup vibes, but I still liked it. So I hope you guys liked it as well. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to see what comes out of my channel next, and hit that notification bell so YouTube knows that you meant it. And let me know in the comments how far you think Argentina is going to go this year. I'm pretty sure the last one they went pretty far. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.